Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to go over the two single replacements at the top of your worksheet. You should be able to identify that it's a single replacement because there's a single element here. And what you have to do is you have to look at the single element and the first element in the compound. And you need to check to see if this one is higher on the activity series than Mg. And your activity series looks like this. Li is higher than everything, so Li is higher than Mg, magnesium. So this reaction will occur. And what happens is that these two just switch places. So now you're going to have Li with SO4, and you're going to have Mg by itself. Now, when Mg is by itself, you just leave it alone unless it's hydrogen, in which you put a little 2 at the bottom. So for a compound, you have to look at your charges. Li is in this first column, which means it has a +1 charge. And SO4 is a polyatomic, and it's over here, and it has a -2 charge. That means that 2 needs to come down here, right? Because remember, we cross it over. Just the 2, we ignore the negative. And the 1 we bring over here. If it was anything other than a 1, we would put parentheses and put the number outside. But since it's just a 1, we can leave it like that. So I'm going to rewrite it and clean it up a little bit. And that would be your final answer. The whole thing would be your final answer. Now, in the second problem, it's Cu plus HCl. So Cu is a single element, single replacement reaction. Hydrogen is the first thing in the second element, or in the compound. So you have to ask yourself, is copper higher than hydrogen? And the answer to that is no. So that means your answer here is no reaction, and you're done.